This video is going to provide you instructions for how to log into your CS First account. So here is the instructions in Google Classroom. So I'll follow these in this video so that way if you have any confusion, you can watch this and it will guide you. So step 1, go to g.co/csfirst. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to enter it into my browser. Okay, and let's look at step 2. We're going to click sign in on the top right, click I am student, then enter the class code. So I will copy this class code. Notice that I'm in Design 6B, so this is the code for that class. If you happen to be in Design H or C or F, it's going to be a different code. So please don't enter this code, but enter the one that you see in Google Classroom. All right, so sign in top right, I am a student, enter class code. Click sign in. I'm going to click I am a student. And new student, you're going to enter your class code. So I've pasted it. Click next. And so what you should see here is some information about your class. So this is the code we just entered. This particular code is for 6B. So if you're not in 6B, please use the correct code in Google Classroom. And there's your teacher, me, Mr. Shower, and please click yes, join. Do you need a new CS First username and password? So in this case, you're going to click yes. And so right here, it's going to provide you with the username, and you don't have the ability to change this right now, and also a default password, okay? So you see there's a little checkbox here. Yes, I wrote my username and password down. You must click this in order to sign in. Before we do that, we want to make sure that, yes, you've actually written this down. Or what you can simply do is take a screenshot. Okay, and now I can easily see it is saved onto my desktop. There's a picture of it right there. You're going to need to remember this because we'll be using this website. So please save it. Great. I'm going to click yes and sign in. Perfect. So at this point, you can see that there's our class. And what I've loaded for you is actually our first several activities that we'll be doing. So each of these, characterization, interactive presentation, dialogue, narration, and create your own Google logo, these are individual lessons. So each day during our distance learning program, you will complete during our regular scheduled class one of these, and I will tell you on which day you'll be doing these. Okay, so if we click on characterization, we can see an overview about what we're going to be doing. Okay, students provide details about a character who is missing a school assignment and use code. So you're going to actually code in Scratch to describe the character's actions, thoughts, and words. So it says anywhere from 45 to 90 minutes. We're going to estimate that it will be about one class period. So if you notice, there's a video, we've got a little bit of an activity, there's a quick survey to get an understanding of what you know, and then lastly, you're going to share your project that you've created in Scratch. So we're going to click start. And so here's going to be your first video. It's 1 minute 46 seconds. And once you finish watching the video, it's going to give you an overview of what your task is. you're simply going to click Next. Okay, so this is very self-guided, and you'll actually be working in CS First as well as Scratch at the same time. So what I would suggest is it's probably a good idea to bookmark both Scratch and CS First. So in this example, I just want to demonstrate how you might do this. So you probably have a design bookmark folder. This is my personal account, so I'll create one now. Okay, and so now I'll have this in my bookmarks bar. Okay, and so I want to make sure that I bookmark Scratch and I bookmark CS First. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to click the little star, and that folder I just created, I'm going to find it, design, click done. And also, if I go back to my classes, it'll take me to the main page, the dashboard, where you find all of your lessons. And we're going to bookmark this one as well. So I'll click the star, go to design, and I might just rename this instead of my dashboard called CS First, and click done. So now I have both of these very important links inside of that folder, and I'm all set for our design distance learning program. All right, I hope that this was easy to follow along with. One final step is you're actually going to share your username with me. Okay, so if you go to my profile, you'll see that your username is right here. You're going to submit this information in a survey to me, and that's going to tell me your username in CS First. Okay, so one thing you could simply do is copy this, and in Google Classroom, I haven't added it yet, but what you will see down here is going to be a survey. The survey is going to look like this. It's going to say what section of design you're in, what's your first name, what is your last name, and then lastly your CS First username. So you're going to paste your CS First username inside of here, and you're going to submit it. Okay. So this is all for the first day of our distance learning program. Sign into CS First, sign into Scratch, and submit your CS First username. Okay, good luck. Bye.